Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a booking website for your lashes business. The platform that we'll be using in this example is heygoldie.com. The reason why I recommend this platform is because it is beginner friendly, meaning you'll be able to quickly set it up and your customers will also be able to quickly book an appointment without have to going through any rigmarole or anything like that. And also it is completely free to get started. So you're going to go onto heygoldie.com, and by the way, you can see their pricing plan right here. So as I said earlier, you can get started for free and you'll be able to book 20 appointments per month, and you will also be able to access the platform on unlimited devices, and you can see you'll get the online booking, manual reminders, and so on. But in the future, once your business takes off, I would definitely recommend that you go onto their paid plan, because with their paid plan, you'll be able to set up automated reminders. And one of the main reasons why I'm a big fan of HeyGold, the platform, is because this is the platform that a dentist that I use also use to create their appointment website. And whenever you book an appointment, you receive a WhatsApp message that automatically reminds you of your appointment, and then you'll get a second message when you're about an hour or so away from your appointment time. So you can definitely set it up and you can automate everything. Even as a one-person show or a two-person show, you can add your staff members and so on. Now to sign up, once on heygoldie.com, you're going to tap on Get Started in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Get Started, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can enter your email address, then tap right where you see your password and you could create a password, or you can choose to sign up with your Google account, Apple account, or your Facebook account. For this example, I'll sign up with my Google account, so I'll simply tap on the Google icon, then select the Gmail account that I will be using. Then you'll tap on Continue. Once you have tapped on Continue, you will be redirected to the HeyGoldie dashboard. Once on this dashboard, I will show you how to continue setting it up. So you can see right here, your business is unique. So you'll simply add your business name. So let's say, for example, Simple Lashes. Then from there, you can add your business name right here. So let me do that real quick. So I'll add the same name just for example's sake, but you will be able to add your name. Then from here, you'll tap on your profession. After selecting your profession, from here, you can tap on your profession at the top and you could search for it, or you can tap on lash artist. Then you could add in your phone number. After adding in your phone number, you'll tap on done. Let me add in my phone number real quick. Okay, after you have added your phone number and tap on done, you will be redirected to this page. And at the moment, this is your website and this is how your booking calendar looks. To get started, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option right here, as we are going to be setting it up. So I want you to go over here. You're going to tap on this icon. So you're going to tap on the little arrow icon. Then you're going to tap on services. After selecting services, you will see some preset services depending on the feature that you had selected. Remember, we are doing a lashes website, and also remember that I'm located in Jamaica, which is why you see JMD currency right here. Now to make changes to the services or to add services, you could tap on add new in the top right hand corner, and from there you could tap on add service. Then you could enter the service name, and then you can enter the description. You can also enter the price, the approximate amount of time it will take for the service to be completed. And then from there you could tap on more options, so you could select the processing time or block extra time or so on. After you're finished, you'll tap on save, and that's it. And also to edit these preloaded services, you can simply tap on the pencil to edit service. Then from there, if you like to change the name, you can do that. and you can also change the price by tapping on the price, and you can add the duration, meaning how long it will take you to complete that particular service or feature. Once you're finished, you will tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. After you're finished doing all of that, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you can tap right where you see online booking. After you have tapped on online booking, from here you'll be able to enable clients to book appointments online. So you can simply tap on activate online booking right here. Then you can tap on continue. So you can see the services that I had added earlier. Then you'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you will see your website link. So this is my website link at the moment. If you would like to change the name, you could tap on the name and you can change it. You can also add a business logo if you want by tapping on add logo. Or if you would like to add a photo of yourself, you could tap on add photo and you could upload a photo. By the way, if you are looking for a good platform to create a logo, I would definitely recommend canva.com. And again, that is a platform that you can use for completely free, and it is also beginner friendly. And you can also change the color by tapping on change color right here. That will change your booking website color. So for example, you could tap right there, but to do that you would have to be on the pro plan. You can also scroll down, you can add your business address right there, and from there you can also add your Facebook or Instagram account if you want. And then you can also set up your opening and closing hours, and you can also choose the days of the week that you will be offering your services. So let's say for example I will be working from Monday to Friday, so I will leave that as is. Then right where you see 9 to 17, you could tap right there. So let's say I will be opening the shop at 10 o'clock and we'll be closing, let's say at 6 o'clock. So I'll tap on 18, then tap on OK. And you can do that right down the line. Then after you're finished, you're going to tap on save and publish. Once you have tapped on save and publish, you can tap right here and we'll tap on continue setup. So now our website is live. All we'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option once more, and we're going to tap on payments. So now you can see we are sorry but payments are not available in your country. So it all depends on the country that you're located. But once you're on the paid plan, you'll be able to accept payments. It doesn't matter the country you're in. Once you're on the paid plan, you'll be able to accept payments. But at the moment, that is what it is showing me. Now, once you're finished doing all of that, you can go